It was a beautiful Tuesday morning in Whistleberry Town. The sun peeked gently over the rooftops, birds chirped, and sleepy children trudged off to school. Everything was normal, until it wasn't. Without warning, every single clock in town froze. The tower bell never chimed, wristwatches ticked their last, and microwave timers blinked endlessly at 7:07 a.m. Silence fell. Even the cuckoo from old Mr. Thistle's clock stopped mid-cuck. Mia, a clever girl with wild curls and a love for puzzles, was the first to notice something even stranger. Her old watch, one her grandfather had given her, was glowing. Not flashing. Glowing. She rushed to tell her best friends, Jaden and Ellie. Jaden was the gadget guy, always carrying tools and snacks in his backpack. Ellie was the reader, cautious and wise beyond her years. When Mia showed them the watch, Ellie gasped, whispering, "It's calling you." Drawn by the pulsing light, the trio followed it to the old clock tower, locked up for decades. To their surprise, the gate creaked open. Inside, past layers of dust and gears, they discovered a hidden door. Behind it, a spiral staircase wound downward into the earth, glowing with soft golden light. At the bottom, they found something extraordinary, the heart of time, a massive magical clock split down the middle, its gears frozen and floating in midair. From a nearby cuckoo clock, two tiny glowing creatures emerged. Tick and Tock, time spirits with wings like clock hands and voices like wind chimes, fluttered before them. "You're not supposed to be here," Tick said. "But maybe, you're just who we need." Tock added, "Time isn't broken. It's trapped. Lost in the moments people forget. If you don't fix it, it will fade, forever." The children were given 3 trials to complete and return the missing pieces to the magical clock. Their journey began in the garden of forgotten seconds, a glowing field where memories grew like flowers. Mia had to relive a sad moment, missing her grandfather's last birthday because she was too busy. With tears in her eyes, she placed a glowing flower into the gear slot, and the first light returned to the clock. Next was the storm of scattered minutes. Where Jaden soared through a swirling time vortex on a hoverboard, dodging false moments and chasing one real, shining minute. He reached out, snatched it, and whispered, "Time isn't just about speed, it's about seeing what matters." Finally came the leap of now, a puzzle Ellie had to face alone. Before her stretched a series of floating gears above a dark void. "I can't do this," she said at first. But with a deep breath, she stepped forward. And the gears lit up beneath her feet. Each step forward required her to recall a present moment she had taken for granted, her mom's warm hugs, the laughter during library lunches with Mia and Jaden, the way sunlight painted her bedroom wall each morning. As she honored each memory, the gears turned, carrying her safely across. When Ellie reached the end, the final gear in her hand shimmered with pure light. The 3 friends reunited at the heart of time. One by one, they placed the pieces back into the magical mechanism. With a thunderous hum and a wave of golden energy, the gears spun, the crack in the heart sealed, and time began to flow again. All across Whistleberry Town, clocks restarted. Bells rang. Cuckoos chirped. Life resumed, but with a quiet change. People seemed to slow down, to notice more. Moments felt fuller. Tick and Tock hovered once more before the children. "You've reminded time what it means to matter," Tick said. "And maybe reminded people too," Tock added with a wink. As the trio emerged from the clock tower, now bathed in morning light once again, they knew something special had happened. Not just to time, but to them. Because sometimes, the most powerful moments are the ones we almost forget.
3D animated Pixar cartoon-style video. The ancient clock tower stands tall, bathed in soft golden morning light. The trio, Mia, the 12-year-old girl, Mia with wild curly brown hair, like a storm of question marks and glowing hazel eyes, stands in a sunlit town street, holding up an old glowing wristwatch on her left wrist. She wears an oversized denim jacket covered in enamel pins and mismatched sneakers. Jaden, a 13-year-old boy with spiky black hair and warm brown skin, peers at the watch through round, smudged glasses. He wears a hoodie patterned with gears, cargo pants stuffed with tools, and a multi-tool clipped to his belt. And Ellie, 12-year-old girl with long auburn hair in a neat braid, freckles, and deep green eyes, stands slightly behind them. She wears layered cardigans and soft clicking boots, holding a leather-bound notebook. Step out of its grand wooden doors, eyes wide with quiet wonder. Birds fly overhead. A town awakens gently around them. In exchange, knowing smiles, touched and changed. A soft breeze carries the feeling of something magical. As they walk into the light, a narrator's voice echoes. Sometimes, the most powerful moments are the ones we almost forget. Fade to sunrise.
Subscribe to my channel.